What's your most famous creation?
Just think. Peter Gabriel.
Peter Gabriel. Oh, Peter Gabriel. The gatekeeper. What incarnation? Uzmanibu. I think we know how to say warning. Huh?
Deutschland.
No, Deutschland. No, he Deutschland. Oh my goodness. Woo. How's the water? It's cold? It's warm? Come on! Okay, you must be from the Arctic Circle. Ooh, it's comfortable. Are we lost? As most of you know, I grew up in the seaside town of Brighton Beach, Brooklyn, New York. So, I was on the beach since I can remember. And today, we, ladies and gentlemen, Cousin Yuri, say hello, Cousin Yuri.
Hi.
Cousin Yuri is along the journey with Svetlana and I.
Hi.
It's what he knows.
We are heading to the seaside here.
Beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And finally, for once. So today we are going to take advantage of this beautiful day and we are going to head to the seaside here in Riga, Latvia. We're going to take a train. It's probably about a 20-minute ride and we're going to check out the beaches of Latvia. Join us. Guys, check this out. This looks like a set out of Saving Private Ryan. Baby, what is this? Is this a school?
Yeah.
This is a school. You can see the kids here. First day of school?
Yeah.
How was it? Good?
Good.
All right. You got a long way to go. Enjoy it. Look how well dressed these students are. Is this a public school, do you know?
Yeah.
It's a public school and everybody looks like, I thought they were going to a wedding or something. Wow. How's the booze cruise? Good? Fun? Where are you guys from?
Sweden.
Denmark and Sweden. All right, Scandinavia, baby. Go Vikings! Go Vikings! What did she say, Latvia?
Yeah.
We had one Latvian, she was the driver.
Три билета туда-обратно, пожалуйста.
How much is it?
It's 8.79.
That's not bad.
Что ты думаешь? С этим не бьешь. Это действительно нелегко.
Она не увидела.
Ну, так, на такой работе надо с очками работать.
So for €3 and 50 cents, they call it cents too, I think. You get an Americano hot dog, dressed up nice, and a Coke for $3.50. In the gas station in Boca, the Coke alone would be $3.50. Okay, so Jurmala, the stop is Dubulti, right there. 10 minutes.
Да.
Dubulti, right, baby?
Yeah.
No, I find it weird, but it was the same thing in Boca that the first day of school was on a Friday. Why do they do that? To make it easier? It's one day and then you have the weekend to kind of break them in, I think, so it's not so stressful, right?
Maybe it has to be 1st of September. It's always been like that.
Oh, okay. What if it's on a
Doesn't
Saturday?
matter what day
What if
of
it's on a Saturday?
Doesn't matter.
Really?
1st of September.
I couldn't live here then. I'm out. Oh, here we go. I'm like a little kid. I love taking trains. Beats a taxi any day. This might be it, baby.
Нет, это ice.
No? Oh, it's this side. It's this side.
По левой стороне.
Baltic, I see. 10 minutes. By the way, the weather is beautiful. It's a nice cool breeze. And I would say the temperature is probably, I don't know, 68? That's Fahrenheit, by the way. What's the temperature?
18.
18? That doesn't help me. What's 18?
Around 60s.
70s, 60s, high 60s,
Yeah,
mid
around
60s?
60s.
Yeah, that's what I figured. It's beautiful. All right, here it comes. Is that the tri-rail, baby?
It's very cool.
Yeah, it's a train that brings us to Jurmala.
It's the Latvian tri-rail, ladies.
Yellow, orange, and right.
Yeah, that's
Right or right?
that's Miami colors, baby.
Right or right?
Here it comes. Wow, this is like New York. They cut right in front of you.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at this. Go ahead,
Woman
Babushka.
Just be careful, yeah, baby?
Yeah, be careful. Man, watch that first step. It's a doozy.
Okay, baby, sit here.
Here?
Yeah.
А в дождь zu sagen sehr rustikal aus.
That's German.
Sehr rustikal.
Я тебе сказала, ты знаешь, что ты можешь говорить по-германски, когда можешь. Есть германская пара, есть international.
Oh man, you bring some big bikes on here. How many stops, baby? Do you know?
7,
7, 8.
Oh, okay. Not a bad ride.
75.
75. I've done that before in New York.
4 holes.
No. I watched the video on YouTube. 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
And 3 holes.
Right? Half hour? There's the Central Market, guys. You see it? What a nice day we got. And well deserved after all that rain. There used to be for Zeppelins, for the Germans during World War I. There's the tower, guys. The TV tower. 1,200 feet tall. It's the third largest tower in all of Europe. It's taller than the Eiffel Tower. Don't worry, Yuri, I can be your Latvian tour guide.
Не волнуйся, Юрий, я буду твой латвийский гид.
There's no air conditioning in here, guys. It's kind of like the D train. Actually, the D train had air conditioning. The only problem was if they ran it in the wintertime. They had the heat on in the summertime. On tri-rail, they don't check. Not all the time, anyway. In fact, I'd say probably not 90% of the time. Here they check. 10 minutes into the ride. Oh, yeah. It's getting crowded in here.
Yeah, it's getting
Она еще не знает, что я буду.
Was that the Manhattan Bridge?
Ну что, мое предложение сегодня.
Не, давай лучше выйдем в мае, там интереснее городок.
Wow, that's beautiful. What is that? Is that a hotel?
Это кафе, да?
Beautiful. It's a copper top. So the way it works is you get off the train and basically steps from the station there's this beautiful promenade, this awesome paved walkway that is kind of like Latvia's version of Miami's Lincoln Road. So Yuri, who lives here in Jurmala? Is this like Latvian aristocrats, Russian oligarchs, wealthy foreign investors? Who are the people that actually live in this town?
Ich kann auf Deutsch. Alle russischen Oligarchen jetzt in Russland geblieben oder weggegangen. Und jetzt natürlich Jurmala gehört Letten und Russen sozusagen. So ist das. Und Jurmala natürlich jetzt weniger Leute geworden, weil fehlt natürlich Russen. Früher war Russen hier richtig viel. Jetzt ist natürlich nicht so. Ganz anders geworden. Deshalb jetzt, wenn wir gucken, auch gerade dann, wir sehen nicht so viel Menschen. Früher, das war alles voll mit Menschen.
So by the way, if that didn't sound like Russian, there's a good reason for that. It's not. He lives in Germany and speaks fluent German, so that was in German for our German friends out there. But now you could tell her in Russian what you just said, so we can understand.
Скажи на всех языках.
Теперь на африканском.
Now it's in Africa.
На белорусском.
As I understood, now since the situation between Ukraine and Russia started,
Right.
so many rich Russian people who used to own apartments, they had to sell.
Really?
Yeah, they didn't have choice, so they had to sell this apartment. Now many beautiful apartments are available for sale.
So wait, so they actually forced them to sell their properties because of what's going on?
Yeah.
Interesting.
They were forced to sell apartments. So these days, because years ago, many Russian people used to own properties here.
Right.
Not anymore.
Wow.
So these days, local people live here.
Locals and other
some-
foreign investors probably from other
local,
countries.
And
Maybe Scandinavian countries, wealthy Swedish people. and
maybe, I don't know.
Sweden, by the way, guys, is right
But
across the Baltic, so you could swim there if you're a good swimmer.
But many local people own here place and they live here for good.
Must be beautiful. Must be nice to live here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's very, very beautiful.
I can see that. It's the architectural style of a lot of the homes that you'll find here that are close to the beach look to be Victorian style.
For Victorian.
Victorian or German?
No understand.
No understand.
Style.
He's not an
How do
architect,
you know
ladies and
the
gentlemen.
style? I don't think the
Никогда.
prices ever go down here.
Yeah. Well, it's like any place else in the world, beachfront property. There's always somebody out there ready and willing to buy with the money. If other folks can't live here, somebody else will surely swoop in. Beautiful floral arrangements on the lamppost. Tall, sweeping trees with these long branches and just covered with leaves. It's really beautiful. Cracker Box Palace. Look at this thing. Lime green. Anthony!
Look how air is clean.
Oh yeah.
Fresh.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, today was the first day of school for kids, and that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of when I was a kid in New York, going back to school the first day of school. It's like all of a sudden, that's it. Summer's over, and you could feel it in the air. There's a crispness to it. Just enough chill to make you feel comfortable without being cold. I have a sweatshirt, and I'm not even putting it on yet. Maybe when we get to the beach, I'll need it, but there's an absolute freshness to the air. It feels great to breathe it in, and it's a nice change from sitting in that airplane in Miami for 2 hours with no air conditioning. They have these little shops here and these small wooden houses. I like the shields.
У меня не было ни разу янтаря. А это что у вас за металл?
А серебро 925 проба.
Amber, it's beautiful. So amber is basically fossilized tree sap, isn't it?
From pine trees.
From pine trees,
Yeah.
the sap.
Yeah.
Over the years.
Yeah, it hardens.
Yeah, it hardens. It's like a fossil of the sap of the tree. Incredible. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Do you want one, baby?
no,
I'll buy you
I'm
one.
trying to find
This is
something.
really pretty.
Yeah.
I told her to pick out anything she wants, as long as it's made out of tree sap and not diamonds. I like the hats.
Ah, cool.
Look at this old cart.
Technique.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah,
What's going on, brother? How are you?
Very nice. Very
Look at
good,
him. Is
very
this your hometown here, Jurmala?
Jurmala, Dansko Paper Street 23A, artistic studio. Welcome.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful city. I like
I
it.
involved most artists, nickname Putera.
Really? Puter?
Putera.
Okay, we're going to look you up. What's your most famous creation?
Just think. Peter Gabriel.
Peter Gabriel. Oh, Peter Gabriel. I like Peter Gabriel. Remember him, Peter Gabriel? The singer? I don't think that's it. Wow, what's this, baby? Russian Orthodox Church?
Russian.
Yeah, that's got to be Russian
yeah.
Orthodox. Look at this thing. Wow, that is absolutely incredible. Those giant bulbous towers, they look like giant Christmas ornaments. They're incredible, blue and gold colors. It's just awesome. What are they called, those big balls on the top, baby?
Kupol.
Steeple?
Kupol.
Kupol?
I don't know in English.
I don't know. Those are some nice kupals. Couple of nice kupals. It is so peaceful and quiet back here. Just wanted to take a walk down one of these side streets and show you guys these beautiful homes and apartments. President of Paris owns this?
Parex Bank.
Yeah.
Paris Bank? You can hear the rustling of the leaves as this cool breeze passes through these awesome towering trees above me. Nice mix of pine and birch trees here. And you see the Latvian flag there waving in the breeze. And looks like they have a statue there, decoration of trapeze artists on a cable there. As you make your way to the end of this street here, you end up in this awesome tree-lined park. And we're pretty close to the beach right now. In fact, this park might actually be a shortcut through to the coast. Dzintaru, Meza Parks. Skate parks, coffee. Baby, ask him how much he thinks a house like this would cost.
Как ты думаешь, такой дом сколько бы стоил?
Смотри,
он снимает.
тут не то, что этот дом стоит чего-то, потому что это просто дерево.
Location.
Это земля бесценная. Место, локация, это бесценное просто.
Yeah, the most important is the land.
А,
И если ты покупаешь этот дом, ты не имеешь права его снести и построить новый. Ты можешь его только обустроить, то есть можешь его реставрировать, потому что все здесь записано, как говорится, в Красную книгу.
okay, I got one word out of that. I know dome means house.
If you buy this house, for example,
Right.
you cannot knock down.
Oh, you can't? You have to preserve the existing structure.
Yes.
So it's like a historical landmark,
Yeah,
these homes. Wow. So how much?
800,000
800,000 euros?
euros.
So close to $1 million a house here. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
The house doesn't matter. It's the land you're paying for because of the location.
Yeah, the house itself doesn't cost expensive. The land
It's the same
is,
thing in Florida. It's just like
yeah.
those homes on the Millionaires Row. You know, Hillsborough Mile, all that area, Boca, that you guys see me on, A1A, those beautiful mansions that are there. It's not the house. A lot of times, the people have so much money they don't care. They buy the house, but they want the land. They don't care about the house. They knock the house down and they build from the ground up whatever they want because they can afford it. But here you can't do that because they're trying to preserve the history here of this town and the beauty of the style. So I guess these are rentals here. What is that? Is that a stairwell?
There is a door.
Giant snail's shell.
There is a door.
Oh. It's just a shelter to
Yeah.
cover you from the rain when you're walking down the stairs. Interesting. Haven't seen one like that before. Oh, I think I see the beach. These here, I think, are bed and breakfast and restaurants. Here's a taverna. Oh, wow. Looks like a tree house. Oh, I just wanted to see the tree. I'm sorry. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, guys, so we made it to the end here. That wasn't far. What was that, maybe half a mile, baby? But a nice walk, you don't even notice it. And
Ну, в смысле, компания делает, да.
it ends up right here at
Да, но они делают
my office
вертолеты, которые стоят
from across the pond.
10 years ago,
Yeah.
it used to be one of the very popular, it's a festival place for singers, for
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a theater, an outdoor
Yeah.
theater.
So the singers used to come from all Europe,
Yeah.
and they used to compete.
Compete.
Compete, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It was very popular and very busy place.
So I guess this is like the ticket office where you purchase your tickets for the show. Oh yeah, you can see the seating there and the stage. They have a lot of support for Ukraine here, I see. I see a lot of the Ukrainian flags and colors everywhere here. Here it is, guys. Here it is. We have reached the coastline of Latvia, here in the Baltics. And this right here, it is not the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Baltic Sea. I remember seeing this in some of the videos that I watched. When you approach the steps down right onto the beach, the first thing you're greeted with are these awesome sort of poles that they have that house some artifacts. You think I should take my sandals off, baby, or not? But is there a shower to wash my feet or not? Probably not. I'm going to take them off because otherwise they'll get sand in them. Should I leave them here or will they get stolen? Shame on you, Boca Raton, stealing my shoes. Guys, the sand, I will tell you, it's chilly and a little damp feeling. And it's not white, it's more of the sort of golden brown, right? And it's nice. But you know what? It's really powdery, fine sand that feels great to walk on. The feeling of it reminds me very much of the sand when I was walking on Grayton Beach, Destin. That powdery, fine sand of the Florida Panhandle. I know it doesn't have the whiteness, but it certainly has the feel about it. Who needs to go to the museum? Come to the beach. They have all kinds of artifacts here. It's just really cool and a great idea. So this artist is from Argentina, Fabian Markovic. Go Messi! The sand is darker as you get up closer to the water. The high tide line, it kind of has a mud sort of look to it. And the ocean, which is really flat, by the way, I don't know if it's always like this or if they have waves here ever, but it's lake-like conditions. And anyway, between the color of the sand and the color of the water, certainly not going to get those teals that I love back at home in Miami area, but it reminds me a lot of where I grew up in Brighton Beach. And you could see the winding of this coastline as it goes. So I know my geography, guys, as you all know. Let me tell you where we are. This is the Baltic Sea, as I mentioned, and if you go straight out, as the crow would fly if it had enough wing strength to do it, you would hit Sweden. To the north of here, along the coast, you would get the northernmost Baltic state of Estonia. It's Estonia, right? Estonia's that way, Lithuania's that way. And then, if you go further north, beyond Estonia, you would get to Finland. Finland would be well to the north of here, reachable by boat. In fact, they do have ferries that will take you across the Baltic from Latvia to Sweden. And right here in the back of the beach, they have a lot of different cafes and eateries and, you know, places where you could stop and have a burger or get a beer. If you go down to Miami, if you go to Miami where the paths are, they do have it, but not really right on the sand. The closest thing would be like in Fort Lauderdale, if you go to a Cafe Aruba, which is right on the sand, which is rare. There's not a lot of them that are. The Sea Watch is also right on the sand. But here it's one after another. And it's interesting how they have these almost park benches right on the beach here that you could just come and if you don't want to, you know, put down a towel or a chair of your own, you could just cop a squat here on one of these benches that they have lining the beaches here. They also have volleyball courts. Am I back on Deerfield Beach? Gilligan! All right, I got to show you guys this water. I got to get a little closer to it. I don't know if I actually want to get in it. Oh, looks like some of that seaweed made its way here. Okay, guys, see now I was telling you so much about how hot the water was in Florida and it was like a bathtub. I'm going to dip my toe in this. Oh my God!
Yeah, and you stay there for 3-5 minutes.
Oh my God. Oh man. You know when you go someplace and you have to jump in the shower and they tell you there's no hot water? This is that place. Wow. That is cold water. That is cold. Well, I mean, it's like I said, you know, you got Sweden right out there. You got Finland there. So these are like Arctic waters here, guys. It's every bit as cold as it looks. You going in, Yuri? You going in? Come on, man. Polar bear. How do you say cold in Russian? What? Kalone? I gotta try it. I mean, obviously, there's gonna be a language barrier, but I gotta ask this guy. Kalone? Cold? It's good. Not cold. Not cold.
Woher kommst du? Aus Deutschland? No?
Huh?
Deutschland?
No, Deutschland. No, he's Deutschland. He's Deutschland, America. So, guys, I just got done doing a live stream from here. It's good. I'm enjoying it. It feels great to be here. I have that vacation head right now. I feel so good. Yuri's drinking his kvass. He's happy. Oh, what do we got? We got brown bread. Look at this. and
Прямо
we are
сразу
enjoying
на пляже.
our vacation. Very much so. Here in Jurmala Beach in Latvia. Cheers!
Положи нас
Onward
сюда,
and
Юр.
upward.
Не, все нормально, я уже положил.
Если ты хочешь, на самом деле, мне все равно уже.
This is a local beer.
Свежий.
And I'll try a piece of this.
Чеснок.
Ему
Чеснок.
нравится
What does that mean?
Garlic.
Garlic. Garlic bread.
Ему
We're
очень
eating
нравится
garlic bread. It's this brown, they call it brown bread. I think we call it black bread at home, but good stuff. Fantastic. Wow, he likes it. You having some, baby?
No, I'm not hungry yet.
What?
No,
Oh,
я
she's
хочу
saving her
оставить.
appetite for this incredible burger she told me about. Oh, wait, look, they got a fire going here. Hold on.
It's barbecue, baby.
They are sparking up the grill, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at those. Those are the real wood chips right there. Here's the garlic brown bread. Oh my God. Oh my God. When you bite into it, you could taste like the garlic oil. It's moist. What is that? Like a garlic oil?
Bread, and
Beer. Yeah.
It's a good combination.
These are two of my favorite things. Remember that song? Wow.
Yeah, they fry it.
натертый с солью и чесноком.
Yeah, there is
You
a
could
salt,
see it. Oh, look, you
garlic.
could see it on it.
Yeah, they
It's
fry
not
it.
butter. It's like
They
an
fry
oil.
it. Yeah, that's why.
You can see the residue on my finger.
Baby,
Finger looking good. So we're gonna eat here.
yeah, it's nice here.
I'm gonna
Yeah?
ask this guy. Hold on. I'm gonna ask him. What's up, buddy? How are you? Do you mind? I'm the Barefoot Vlogger on YouTube.
Wow.
This is really cool. I'm from America.
Who do you play for? Play for United States of America.
And I love a good barbecue. Being from Florida, where I'm from. So what exactly are you going to be cooking up on here?
We are cooking right now like 10 pieces of pork barbecue, some chicken barbecues, and some fish.
Pork, chicken, and fish.
Yeah.
Oh man! All right. Where do I sign up for
Do you
that?
want some?
Yeah, I think we're going to have some of that today. Thank you, my friend. What are these, wood chips? Is this like wood chips?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the best for the flavor?
I think so.
Does it come from a specific type of a tree? Do you know?
No.
No?
Yeah.
It's just your own recipe. There you go. Thank you, brother. You get these bean bags you could lay out on. Hold on, I gotta try one. Oh yeah, and you could even put your feet up. Ah, this is the life. No? Oh, thank you. Cheers. Onward and upward. Wish you were here. Let's see where this path leads to. Yeah, this is where park meets the beach. What do we got? More bread? Oh, more bread. Yuri, the man with the tan. The man with the tan. I'm from Florida and I'm envious of his tan.
The French fries.
What's this? Could it be? Baby is drinking a glass of wine? Ah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Onward and upward. Oh,
Medium sweet.
I saw
it's
that
French
I
one.
saw that at the store. Yeah, nice. Oh, it smells good. He just put it on, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Did we have chicken?
Yeah.
Pork or beef?
It's pork.
Pork, okay.
And it's yours.
Wow, look at that on the skewers. It smells amazing, ladies and gentlemen. So chicken and pork. Wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Where does this meat come from? Is this your
Откуда это
own?
мясо? Local, местное.
Yeah, it's local.
It's local stuff. Wow. And you put some kind of a seasoning on it, like a seasoning or a sauce?
Yeah.
What do you put on it?
Special seasoning. Вот что именно вы?
Честно, я не знаю, потому что начальственно приводит готовое мясо в маринаде.
They get already ready meat. He doesn't know what exactly.
It's marinated and it was sitting in the marinade.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Good job, my friend. I love Latvia. I'm happy to be here. Are you originally from Latvia? Born and raised here?
Sure.
Wow. What should I see before I leave? What do you think I should see before I go?
I think the old town in Riga.
Yeah.
Have you been there?
Yeah, we're staying there.
Oh.
We love it.
Nice.
We love it.
What's the name?
Barefoot? Like no shoes?
Yeah.
Vlogger with a V. What is your name?
Dan.
Dan.
Yeah.
Ah, nice to meet you,
На
Dan.
видео.
My new friend, Dan. Come visit me in America, my friend.
That's all, gentlemen.
And don't forget the meat.
Yeah.
I'm ready. 1, 2. Okay, go. Oh, here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, we got more bread. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate you doing that. Thank you so much. Okay, so we got pork. Look at that, guys. And the French fries. What did you get, baby? Soup? What is that? It's a soup?
Yeah, it's a meat soup.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
All right. Bon appetit. Feast your eyes on that. Here goes nothing. Sorry, I'm multitasking, but that is amazing. It's juicy, it's tender, it's succulent. It is out of this world.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hey, Dan! Good job, man. Awesome.
Они уже подружились.
Compliments to the chef. Hold on, let me show them. Look at the little round globules on top of it. Can you guys see that? Man, that is good. Oh,
Давайте за встречу.
cheers. It's a good times, baby. It's a good times. Onward and upward. Look at that view, baby, up the coastline. Isn't it beautiful?
With the trees on the beach.
I know.
Nice
Mention
meal on the beach.
We had a great time.
We have everything here.
Some awesome memories.
Just come to Jurmala.
Come to Jurmala. Are you very proud of your country?
Yeah.
You should be.
Yeah, it's a nice place to visit.
Absolutely. And I want to show this to you guys. See these things? This is basically a changing station. If you want to check, it's very good place. It's a good place, huh? Yeah, it's you can change in there, right? It's a good place. So this is a little changing station. You come in here, and you change, and you got your privacy. There's no door on it, so it's funny because I guess as you're walking by, you got to look to see if there's feet down there. You know me by now. It doesn't matter where I am, what country I'm in. If there's a chair, I'm climbing up. So, hold on. Of course, I'm gonna take a seat. Here's my office, and this is my desk. Whoa. Oh, it's wet. This is the easiest job in the world. There's one person in the water.
Вот это тоже надо понять.
My job is done here.
Я спрошу маму, потому что она скажет.
So guys, as the sun sets here over Jurmala Beach into the Baltic Sea, we hope that you guys enjoyed this adventure here in Latvia on the shoreline every bit as much as we did. Till next time, from Jurmala Beach, this is the Barefoot Vlogger, Svet Vlogger, and Yuri Vlogger saying, stay well And stay tuned. That's right, you're a vlogger now. How you say vlogger?
Vlogger.
Vlogger is vlogger. It's international.
Oh my god.
Now camera goes off, everybody shuts up and eats. Is that George Washington on that horse? It does look like George Washington.
Baby, it's a...
Baby, you are right. Oh, it's wet. Baby. Baby, take the camera. Real quick, take the camera. Just get a shot of me laying here.
It's a... It's a...